Hi for this. This is another northern local treat, Gullisuwa or deep fried milk balls. Let's go. I added 2 cups of powdered milk and half cup of sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar, but you can't reduce this. So mix everything together. Then you add a quarter cup of warm water or hot water, but don't use cold water. Stir that very well and form a soft dough. Now I use oil, you can use water to grease your palms and roll this into small tiny balls. Once you are done with all the dough, it's time to fry. Already my oil has heated up and then I added the Gullisuwa balls in bits. Don't add it at once, add in bits. So use your hands to swirl the frying pan to ensure they are all fried evenly, because as in the oil they are too soft to handle. So once it's done all golden brown, scoop from the oil, allow it to cool down completely, and then you store in an airtight container. So this is how you make Gullisuwa. Follow me for more amazing recipes. Bye.